Secure your cargo using the rear and front trunk. To open the front trunk, touch the associated Open icon on the touchscreen or Tesla app. The plug at the base allows for easy drainage. To close the front trunk, set down the hood and place both hands on the front of the hood, then press down firmly to engage the latches. To open the rear trunk, press the switch under the liftgate's exterior handle, touch the rear trunk button in the Tesla app or vehicle touchscreen, or with hands-free trunk enabled, approach with phone key and stand still until it automatically opens. For more space, you can store the parcel shelf and fold the second row seat backs up or down by pressing the corresponding switch located on the left side of the rear trunk. To close the rear trunk, press the switch located on the underside of the liftgate or touch the associated close button on the touchscreen or Tesla app.